So dear student, in previous lecture we have discussed about the reaction of metals with water. We have seen how metals react with water. Reactivity of different metals toward water is not same. Some metals are very reactive, so they react with cold water even, like sodium, potassium. Whereas some metal like magnesium, they react with hot water but not cold water because it is less reactive than sodium, potassium. And there are some still less reactive metal like iron. These metals, aluminium, these metals only react with steam to form oxide. So we had seen that when metals react with cold water, they form cold water or hot water, they form hydroxide. But when the same metal react with less reactive metal react with the steam, they form oxide along with the hydrogen gas. Now we are going to discuss third reaction, that is reaction of metals, reactions of various metals with oxygen or air, oxygen present in air. When metal react with oxygen, they form metallic oxide. Clear? These metallic oxides are basic in nature. Acid base we have studied. These metallic oxides are basic. So if these oxides are dissolved in a test tube, let us suppose we have magnesium oxide. Dissolve magnesium oxide, how we can form magnesium oxide? If magnesium ribbon is burnt in presence of air, एयर के प्रेजेंस में एक मैग्नीशियम रिबन जो कि लैब में अवेलेबल है, उसको अगर जलाया जाए फ्लेम में, तो आफ्टर बर्निंग इट विल फॉर्म एस, एक राख जैसा बचता है, वाइट कलर ना, ग्रे वाइट, दैट इज ऑक्साइड ऑफ मैग्नीशियम. तो इफ दैट पाउडर इज डिजॉल्व इन water, dissolve in water and we form an aqueous solution, and then if we put a red litmus solution in it, it will turn blue. What does it indicate? It indicates that this basic metallic oxides are basic in nature. Now please listen carefully. Reactivity of different metal towards air or oxygen is not same. Some metals are very reactive. So these metals which are very reactive, which is sodium and potassium, they react even at room temperature. They do not need heating. Room temperature पे वो आग पकड़ लेता है. So reactive these are. Understood? Whereas moderately reactive metal means which are neither very reactive nor very less reactive, जो काफ़ी ज़्यादा reactive भी नहीं है, काफ़ी कम भी नहीं है, that are moderately reactive. वैसे metals को ऑक्सीजन के साथ रिएक्ट कराने के लिए हीट करना पड़ता है. They has to be heated in order to form their oxide. Heating is necessary. Understood? So in this way we come to the conclusion that the reactivity of all metals toward oxygen is not same. Now see, look at the board. When metals are burnt in air, जब metals को air के presence में जलाया जाता है, they react with oxygen of air. उस air में present oxygen से वो react करता है, ठीक है? They react with oxygen of that air and form basic metallic oxide. They form an oxide. कोई oxide मतलब which is basic in nature. So all metallic oxides are basic. Please pay attention. Remember, all metallic oxides are basic. This is important. Which turns red litmus blue, and their basic character can be demonstrated by bringing a red litmus solution in contact with that it will become blue. Clear? Next is very reactive metals, that is sodium and potassium. These are the metals which are very reactive. Reacts with oxygen even at room temperature. They are so reactive that they do not need heating. They react with oxygen even at room temperature. Clear? Whereas see, some moderately reactive matter. Moderately reactive means whose reactivity is in between very reactive and very less reactive. Means these are neither very reactive nor very less reactive. Moderately reactive metals. They react like and what are the moderately reactive metals? We can take the example of aluminum and zinc. Aluminum, zinc, these are moderately reactive metals. So they do not react with atmospheric air. Understood? Atmospheric oxygen at room temperature, but heating is needed. They has to be heated. See, these metals reacts on heating. They react with air. They react with the oxygen of air, but only on heating. Whereas still other less reactive metal, which are very less reactive metal, reacts with oxygen on strong heating, like copper. Understood? Now we will see the reaction of sodium and potassium, very reactive metals with the water. See, Na plus O2. It is from air. At room temperature, they form sodium oxide, Na2O. In the same way, potassium, solid state, react with atmospheric oxygen at room temperature, even at room temperature, and form potassium oxide. Clear? So again I repeat, reactivity of various metals toward oxygen or air is not same. Some metals are very reactive, even they react with air at room temperature. Moderately reactive metals like aluminum, zinc, they react with oxygen only upon heating, whereas still less reactive metals like copper will react with oxygen only on strong heating.